Is there a waiting period before divorce will be granted in Kentucky? In Kentucky, a separation period of 60 days is required before a divorce decree can be finalized. The legal definition of separation does not necessarily mean living in different houses. It means that you have stopped living as a married couple under the same roof. If you and your spouse do not have any children under the age of 18, and both parties agree that they have been separated for 60 days, most courts will allow you to proceed with the divorce from the time of filing. However, if minor children are involved, a 60-day waiting period is required from the date the case is filed. For more information on the divorce waiting period in Kentucky, contact Tim Hendrix at Tim Hendrix Attorney at Law, PLLC. Visit our website at www.timhendrixlaw.com to learn more. We're here to assist you.